We all talk about the pyramid and how could they have possibly built it. But do you know that in India, we have so many temples. The one with the highest Gopuram is there in Tanjavur, which is where the Chola dynasty had happened and Rajaraja Cholan had built it. That particular temple has the highest Gopuram in the whole world. The top stone alone, it's a single stone that weighs 80 tons. 80 tons, not 1 ton or 2 tons. For this particular stone, they had to use a ramp which was 6 kilometers long. 6 kilometers long to get it up there. Without any machinery, without any cranes, which was pulled by bulls, elephants and people. And they didn't have plaster. It's withstood 6 earthquakes. You know what happens when an earthquake comes. But do we know that? We all go to the pyramids, go see the Leaning Tower of Pisa. We are actually appreciating a building that doesn't stand. It's falling over and wow, let's take a picture, let's take a selfie, and we're getting excited. But we have temples today that stand and they didn't use plaster. So think about our culture, think about how advanced we were. I mean, we need to feel proud about that.
கடலுக்கு அன்னமாகும் புலிமகன் வீரம் வாழ்க நற்றமிழ் வாழ்க வாழ்க நல்லோர் தேசம் வாழ்க தமிழ் வாழ்க வாழ்க வீர சோழம் வாழ்க நற்றமிழ் வாழ்க வாழ்க நல்லோர் தேசம் வாழ்க வீரா. வருவாய் தருவாய்